Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan, and I love everything to do with scrapbooking. Here are my 10 hints and tips to get you started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. My first top tip is to set yourself a colour theme. As you can see from this wedding scrapbook, I've chosen a theme of blue and some gold accents. This helps you create a page that is pleasing to the eye. While we're on this page, another tip I recommend is creating wallets to go inside your scrapbook. This means that you can place all your memorabilia inside without it permanently being stuck down. A trick I like to use to loosen up my titles and pages is to use different fonts. Now, you don't have to be an expert in this, but brush lettering is a brilliant and beautiful way of creating big fancy titles for your pages, and it pairs very well with using fine liner pens for a contrasting appearance. Another top trick is to create volume titles using thick stickers. These are thick card stickers and are great because they draw your attention straight to what the next few pages are about. Recipe scrapbooks are a great way of keeping family memories together. So for this cover, I've used some cuttings from a magazine to create these kitchen supplies, and I've also used photographs to mix up the composition. It also adds a recycling aspect to your scrapbook too. If you have lots of photos you'd like to include on the page, but you're a little stuck for space, there are a few ways around this. For this recipe page, I've created a pop-up photo strip for these instructions. I printed out all of my photos, so they were the same size, and after sticking them to a strip of card, I created a concertina effect by folding each photo section in the opposite direction. Another way of adding more photos is by only half sticking them in. I've mounted these photos on tracing paper, but I've only taped one side of the mount so these photos can be flipped to reveal more on the other side. Craft tape dispensers are small and compact if you like scrapbooking on the go, and they're also mess-free. To add more interest to your pages, you can use any materials you like. My favourite materials to use are patterned paper. Hobbycraft sell a variety of these paper pads, which all have different themes and sizes, so you can match them to your scrapbook too. And another material I love adding to my pages is ribbon. You can add as much or as little as you like, and it's a brilliant way of repurposing your scraps and cuttings from other projects. My final tip is to mix up your layouts. Instead of creating the same layout over and over, you can make your scrapbook so much more interesting by moving things around.